Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix program or file error Windows cannot access the specified device. First method is type Windows Security in Windows search bar, click Windows Security. Click Apps and Browser Control, click Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Turn off potentially unwanted app blocking. Second method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click Group Policy Editor. Click and expand Windows Settings, click and expand Security Settings. Click and expand Local Policies, click and expand Security Options. Open User Account Control Admin Approval Mode for the built-in administrator account. Check Enabled, click Apply, click OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.